In the bustling world of robotics, where artificial intelligence and intricate coding are the norm, a startling revelation has emerged. Researchers have developed a robot that navigates complex and dynamic environments, not through a sophisticated computer brain, but through its physical form alone. This brainless marvel of engineering is a testament to the power of physical intelligence and simple design. This robot, a creature born of ribbon-like liquid crystal elastomers, doesn't need human direction or computer to tell it where to go. In fact, it doesn't need a brain at all. When placed on a surface hotter than the ambient air, it rolls, driven by the contraction of the ribbon in contact with the surface. But it's not just the heat that drives this robot. Its asymmetrical design allows it to turn without needing to bump into an object first. This simple yet clever design lets it navigate mazes, including those with moving walls, and squeeze through the narrowest spaces. It's a testament to the elegance of intelligent design and a reminder that sometimes less truly is more. This brainless wonder is the result of hard work and dedication from researchers supported by the National Science Foundation. They saw the potential in simplicity and physical intelligence, and their vision has brought us a robot unlike any other. So what does this mean for the future of robotics? The implications are vast and varied. This technology could lead to the development of more efficient robots capable of navigating complex environments without the need for advanced AI or complex programming. It could also pave the way for robots that can operate in extreme environments, from the scorching heat of a volcano to the freezing cold of outer space. Furthermore, the use of physical intelligence over artificial intelligence could lead to the development of robots that are less reliant on power, making them more sustainable and environmentally friendly. In a world where we often equate complexity with intelligence, this brainless robot serves as a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. It's a lesson in the power of physical intelligence and a glimpse into a future where robots could navigate our world with the grace of a ballet dancer and the precision of a surgeon. Just imagine a world where robots don't need to think to act, where they can navigate any environment with ease, and where their actions are driven not by complex algorithms, but by the simple laws of physics. That's the future this brainless robot could help create, and it's a future that's closer than you might think. As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.